Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Let's talk a little bit about food. And I know pork is one of your favorite meat items on the menu. So, and we talked a little bit about some of the things you've cooked with pork, but talk about why the Rogers family likes pork so well.
Well, I've already stated it a little bit, but it is definitely more price competitive, number one. But number two, the flavor. I mean, when I can throw a little salt and pepper on a pork chop and that's all it takes to have really, really good flavor, it's pretty simple. Even my wife can do it because I'm definitely the cook of the family when it comes to grilling and everything like that. Sorry, Haven. But
it's okay. You said already she's in San Diego.
Yeah, she's enjoying herself on the beach. I just got a Snapchat. So, but no, the flavor. I mean, it is very good, and that's one of the things that the National Pork Board and NPPC is trying. In some of our advertisement you're going to see in the next year is really trying to bank on that flavor because it's like Dr. Pepper. You got like 23 different flavors, and it's very, very good.
Went back to Oktoberfest last week, and guess what was the latest thing I heard? The flavor profile of pork is so special, so unique that there's 111 unique flavor identifiers in just pork meat alone. You can't claim that with chicken. I don't know what it is with beef. I'd have to find that out with beef.
So it beats out Dr. Pepper. That's good.
It beats out Dr. Pepper. But any new recipes? Last year when we were visiting, you talked about what was it, that crown roast kind of? Or
yeah,
what is it?
It was a crown roast, and man, that was the last Christmas that my dad was here was what we made, and it was very, very good. I have yet to do it again, just because his Traeger is broken, and I've been trying to figure out how to fix it. I haven't really had the time, but that's on the menu for this fall for sure.
So how do you make it?
Yeah, how do you make it?
Well, we bought the roast from a Farm Bureau friend. Remembering names is going to kill me, but he was the president of Nevada Farm Bureau, Hank Combs.
Oh, cool.
They sold them online, but basically you just put in a smoker and smoke. It's nothing special in terms of preparing it, but it's kind of the way. I'll have to find the video of it, but it's pretty neat. It's kind of all connected to the bone and looks very good. It tastes very good is even more important, but.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.